Marriage will expose you. Yes, you. Everyone enters marriage looking at their partners, studying them, analyzing them, waiting for them to mess up. But nobody warns you about this. Marriage isn't pointed directly at your partner. It's pointed directly at you. And what it shows you may be the most uncomfortable thing you have ever seen or known about yourself. Stay with me till the end, because what I'm about to say will change the way you look or see yourself. I have probably heard people say marriage changed him or her, or she's not the same person I married. And maybe you have believed that, or maybe you even have fears about it. But here is what nobody tells you. Marriage doesn't change anybody. It reveals them. There's a difference. Change means there's something new about that person. But revelation means that thing is there, is hidden, and it's waiting for the right environment, the right time to reveal itself. So there's a difference. And marriage is the right environment for that revelation to manifest itself. Think about it. Before marriage, you could walk away from argument. You could go home, pull off, do something else, and act like nothing happened. You had an exit. You had space. You had the option to correct the version of yourself that you showed your partner in the marriage. But once you say, I do, that option disappears. You are now in the same house, cannot disappear from it. The same bed, the same future, the same finances, and all the bad character you've managed to hide. Your irritability in the morning, your defensiveness when you're always criticized, your need to always be right. They don't stay hidden forever. So here's the question that should keep you up at night. Is your partner the right person? Who are you when things get hard? Who are you at 11 p.m. when your partner says something that rubs you the wrong way? Who are you when your needs aren't being met and nobody's watching? Because that person, that version of you that always comes out under pressure is the real person your partner is being married to. Marriage is the most honest mirror you will ever stand in the front of. It doesn't care about your reputation. It doesn't care about how well you represented yourself during dating or courtship. It strips you all of that away and show your partner who you really are and what you are. The beauty is, a mirror doesn't have to be a source of shame. It can be a source of growth. The people who thrive in marriage are not the ones who doesn't have flaws or who never had flaws. They are the ones who looked in the mirror and didn't walk away. Make a decision to work on what they are seeing in that mirror, to work on their growth, to work on their change and do better. So before you point a finger at that your partner, I want you to take a pause. Take a pause and ask yourself, what has marriage revealed about me that I haven't, or I'm not willing, or I'm shying away from facing? Drop your honest answer in the comment section, not your partner's flaw. Let's have a conversation. Like this video, it will make you think differently. Subscribe, share this video, and follow me.